Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you why I absolutely love this face wash. This CeraVe Renewing SA Cleanser is amazing, and I will admit I did not originally buy it for myself. I bought it for my acne-prone teenage sons, but I used it out of desperation a couple times because I ran out of my own stuff, and I fell in love with it. I tend to have very dry and very sensitive skin, but CeraVe always comes through for me. It's a great brand, and it's not a harsh cleanser. It is definitely foamy, as you could see, but I love that it is just going to wash off all of the impurities, all of my makeup. It's going to cleanse, exfoliate, hydrate, and it's not going to leave it feeling like stripped and tight. It feels wonderful afterwards. It's also removing dead skin cells because of the salicylic acid. It kind of is like a chemical exfoliant, and so it's very less harsh than like an actual scrub, but great for, like I said, acne prone skin, but great for even my sensitive skin. You can just see it really does take off all of my makeup, all the impurities, just washes the day off. And I'm just kind of showing you with Witch Hazel how much it actually did. You can see there's just nothing on that cotton pad. So I love it. It's great for me and it's great for my teenage sons. This face wash has been a tremendous help for not only myself, but for my teenage boys. I love it and I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.